Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes, and this is another double jive clip. We're showing you how to do a shoulder slide. So a shoulder slide with two ladies. Obviously, if you know how to do a normal shoulder slide, that's going to help you immensely. In fact, I'll stick a link in the description below for the singles version of that. This is the first move where it naturally changes the lady's sides that we've done. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you'll notice Karen is now in my left hand and Teresa is now in my right hand. So if we talk this through from this side, it's semicircles and back. We're going to walk the lady in our left hand forwards. We're going to turn to our left and we're going to walk the lady in our right hand forwards, but in the process we're going to take the right hand onto our right shoulder. This is really a right-handed shoulder slide. As the lady walks past in front of us in the left, we switch from our left hand to our right hand once we let go, and the hand that was on the shoulder slides across the shoulders and down into the left hand. Then it's just return the ladies and back. So let's talk numbers. We go back 1. We start the ladies walking and we latch onto the shoulder. 2. We switch hands, slide and catch. 3. Returning the ladies. 4 and back. 5. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a shoulder, slide. We go a back, a latch, slide and catch, return and back. So it's the first time you've been doing different things with the hands. It does become natural after you've done it a few times. If you find it difficult, just do it slow a few times, and gradually over time you better speed it up and it will get easier. So music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the notifications bell if you're enjoying what you're seeing, because that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.